everyone, so I am back and I'm gonna start with some hair care. So I'm just out of the shower and it has been almost 1.5 weeks since I had a hair wash because I was so busy stressing out about my exams, all that medical student hustles, lol. So I'm making my room a little bit cozy and I'm gonna show you a great tip that I just recently learned, and that is to use a hydrating facial serum in your scalp. If you feel like really dry in your scalp or really itchy, you can use a hydrating facial serum and it will definitely help you. And all I need is to use just few drops on my scalp, massage it using my fingers, and this will provide that hydration during winters especially. And then I always use a good serum to protect my hair length, tips, and to avoid frizz and dryness on the ends. And after this, I'm gonna organize my room a little bit because it has been several days since I cleaned everything well. I actually wanted a white bed sheet, but because it's winter now and I'll have to sandwich myself between blankets, so right now I'm using this soft pink blanket. And also I'm looking for white sheet that have frills, but I can't find it online, so maybe I will have to DIY it. And I always wonder that how my room looks so nice, clean and tidy on some days, while it looks horrible on some days. But now I'm really like an organized person, like putting my clothes, shoes in place just after returning home. But sometimes I'm messy, sometimes. Well, I love this crystal tortoise that I got for so cheap from local store. And then I'm just using this tiny candle to make my room smell good a little bit. And I'm also gonna enjoy my garam chai because it is really freezing here. And also, can you believe that this coffee mug is just for ₹40? No matter what I do in my room, I'm always unhappy, but on the other hand, I feel proud that I did this whole thing and it makes me feel so excited. But honestly, my room is a complete mess in the mornings usually because I'm always in a hurry and end up creating mess. And sometimes I don't even make my bed and blankets. They keep lying on the bed in the same position the whole day until I come back and put them away and fold them. Or sometimes I just don't even do this and go back to the sleep. As I'm growing up, I'm feeling like I'm becoming a grandma day by day. I love to enjoy my own company. I love to spend most of the time in my room with my dog, or doing cleaning, reading books or interesting articles on internet. And I also love to watch knowledgeable videos on YouTube, and I always love to know more about ocean life. Well, you will never find me sitting free and relaxing, and low-key, I love working. Well, I don't know if it's just me or anyone else, but I hate the feeling of carpet or doormat under my feet in summers, but in winter it feels really cozy and comfortable. And this boy, he loved boiled potatoes, and he would literally smell and follow you till you feed him with his favorite boiled potatoes. And right now I'm gonna give myself a haircut. Actually, not a haircut, but a little bit of trimming my hair. I personally think that trimming ends of your hair gives you healthy looking hair because you're basically getting rid of dull, dry and split ends. So I always do this once in 1 or 2 months. Now it's time to give a tiny makeover to my tiny vanity. And when I was a kid, I was always fascinated by those glamorous looking big Hollywood vanities, and I always wished to have one. So right now I will use fairy lights to get girly vibes. And then we decided to treat our taste buds and order these delicious looking gems. And after, I will go straight to do my skincare because that is really important for me and I cannot survive without it. So the first step is first, that is cleaning, and for that I always use a cleanser that doesn't strips away my natural oil or moisturization. Even though I have oily combination acne prone skin, but I hate cleansers that make skin feel dry and lifeless. I also like using this silicone cleaning thing once or twice a week that really helps the deep clean, and it's not too harsh on skin like physical scrubs. Second step is toning, and I'm kind of person that skips toning usually, but this lavender water from Wadi Herbals is jam. I just love the smell and the fresh feeling it leaves on my skin, and it's really cheap. Next product is also my current favorite. This is Rose Kika and Ceramide Serum from Alps Goodness. Kika is Centella asiatica, also known as Gotu Cola locally, and I was looking for a Kika serum for so long but cannot find it for a very affordable price. But this one is gem because firstly I love its work, second I love the formula. The formula is great and the ingredient list is quite impressive. I recently shared video of affordable serums that actually work, so you can watch that if you're on a budget, and I will provide the link in the description. And finally, I will moisturize using the Face Emulsion Cream from Ayurveda, and again another gem of my daily skincare routine. This is holy grail for me, and I have never used a moisturizer that hydrates and moisturizes at the same time like magic. So I first got it as mini trial size, but I loved it so much that later I ordered a full size, and this one gives me a very dewy healthy glow, and I just love this. I cannot explain how much I love this. And finally I will just apply a lip balm, and that is it for my skincare routine. And after I have done my skincare and almost everything that I was supposed to do, I will warm up the gel heating pad because my feet are literally freezing at this point, and then I will work on my DIY room decoration project that was pending for so many days because of my exams, and still my exams are not over. So basically that's it for a day in my life when I'm at home. And one more important part of my daily routine is to feed strays and pretty much every animal we see on the street. We also gave some space and blankets to 5 cute stray dogs so that they can stay warm in the chilly winter. They are spending their nights here in our house for more than 1 month almost, and we feed them daily. I also want to request you guys to feed strays or to help them in other ways, like letting them in your house or providing them your old warm clothes, because everyone needs food and shelter, and that is a basic need of everyone's life. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching a day in my life. Make sure to join this channel by clicking subscribe button and press on bell notifications so you will not miss any updates. Like and share, and till then take care and bye bye.